Hey food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something absolutely irresistible, Paneer Makhni. This restaurant-style dish is creamy, buttery, and bursting with rich flavors. Whether you're a beginner or a pro in the kitchen, this recipe is simple yet indulgent. It's perfect for family dinners, festive occasions, or when you just want to treat yourself. Paneer Makhni is packed with rich, velvety tomato-based gravy and soft, melt-in-the-mouth paneer. It's a one-pot dish that saves time but never compromises on flavor. You'll learn essential cooking techniques like balancing spices, achieving a smooth gravy, and infusing flavors perfectly. Plus, I'll share some pro tips to make it taste just like your favorite restaurant version. For the base, gravy. For large tomatoes, roughly chopped. 1 small onion, sliced. 4 to 5 garlic cloves. 1 inch ginger, chopped. 1 bay leaf. 1 black cardamom. 1 inch cinnamon stick. 2 green cardamoms. 3 to 4 cloves. 1 green chili. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 tablespoon butter. A handful of cashew nuts. Salt to taste. Half a cup water. For the final cooking, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 1 green chili, chopped, 250g paneer, cubed, half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, a 1/4 cup fresh cream, 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, crushed, fresh coriander for garnish. Step 1. Preparing the gravy. Alright, let's get started. First, in a pan, add a little water, just enough to cook the ingredients. Now add the chopped tomatoes, sliced onion, garlic, ginger, bay leaf, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, cloves, green chili, Kashmiri red chili powder, butter, cashews, and salt. Give everything a good mix. Cover the pan and let it simmer on a low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking enhances the flavor and softens everything beautifully. Once done, turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Now, here's an important step. Remove the bay leaf, black cardamom, and cinnamon stick before blending. These whole spices can make the gravy too dark if left in. Blend everything into a smooth puree. If your mixer isn't strong enough, you can strain it for an extra silky texture. Look at that creamy, rich color, just perfect. Step 2, cooking the paneer. Now, let's bring the magic together. Heat butter in a pan. Be generous. It's Paneer Makhni after all. Add finely chopped ginger and let it sizzle for a few seconds. Then toss in the chopped green chili for that subtle heat and aroma. Next, add the paneer cubes and gently sauté them. We're not frying them hard, just a light toss to coat them in the buttery goodness. Sprinkle some salt and a little more Kashmiri red chili powder for that gorgeous color. Now, the moment of truth. Slowly pour in our rich, creamy gravy. Stir everything gently so the flavors blend beautifully. Simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat. This allows the paneer to absorb all the flavors. Step 3. Finishing touches. Time to turn off the heat and add the final magic touches. Stir in fresh cream. It gives that luxurious, silky texture. Then crush dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, between your palms and sprinkle it in. This adds a lovely earthy aroma that makes a world of difference. If your tomatoes were too sour, you can add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors, but it's totally optional. Unlike other paneer dishes, this Paneer Makhni is velvety smooth and perfectly balanced in flavor. It's versatile. You can swap paneer for mushrooms, mixed vegetables, or even make a delicious matar paneer by adding peas. The combination of cashews, butter, and cream creates a rich texture that makes every bite feel like a restaurant experience at home. And we're done. Carefully transfer the paneer and gravy onto a serving dish. Drizzle some fresh cream on top and garnish with a sprig of coriander. Just look at that. It's rich, glossy, and absolutely mouth-watering. Serve this with naan, roti, or jeera rice. It's a match made in heaven. If you loved this, you'll definitely enjoy my recipes for dal makhni, butter chicken, and shahi paneer. Check them out in the links below. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious recipe. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite paneer dish? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your delicious Paneer Makhni. See you soon.